Hi, in last video, we talk about ZCAN expansion module. And today, let's see another kind of ZCAN module, ZMIO310-CAN. ZMIO310 can support 16 submodules at most to achieve hybrid extension. Among 16 submodules, up to 6 digital input DI modules, up to 6 digital output DO modules, up to 3 analog input AD modules, up to 3 analog output DA modules. But actually, depend on each module's power consumption. Also, there is one 8-code DIP switch on this expansion module. Former 4 codes determine I/O mapping addresses. Code 5 and Code 6 set CAN communication speed. Code 7 is reserved for special function. Code 8 means 120 ohm resistor. That is, when Code 8 is on, one 120 ohm resistor is connected between CAN-H and CAN-L. Okay, next, see some details. Here, this form shows I/O address mapping rule. According to binary system, when the combination value of former 4 codes is 0, corresponding I/O starting number is 16. If it is 1, starting number will be 32, and so on. And it can be referred that the number increases in multiples of 16. What's more, these 4 codes can determine AD or DA starting number. But for AD analog input, it starts from 8 and increases in multiples of 8. For DA, it starts from 4 and increases in multiples of 4. Okay, now, we have known basic information. Let's do real connection. Here, one ZMIO310-CAN motion controller, one ZMIO310-CAN communication module, and 4 submodules. The connection sequence of submodules is DI, DO, AD, DA. At first, please check the wiring between motion controller and ZMIO310-CAN module. Specifically, CAN-H and CAN-L of controller and module should be connected together. And one 120 ohm resistor is connected between CAN-H and CAN-L in parallel. Then code 8 should be dialed as on. In this way, match the impedance, the communication can be stable. At last, connect all modules power and public ends together separately. When wiring is okay, it can be seen POW and run are on. But ALM and ERR are off, which means the communication is normal. Next, dial code 1 is on, other 3 keep off. Now, the combination value is 1. CAN ID is 1. Enter our software, RT-Sys or Z-Develop. This programming software is developed by ZMotion. It supports Chinese and English, which can be switched through this. It also supports simulation. If you want to learn and operate, please download it from our website or contact us directly. Connect to controller. Succeed. Click Controller, state the controller. In this window, click ZCAN node. It can be seen controller's CAN ID is local. It means controller itself information. When CAN ID is 1, it indicates former for combination value of ZMIO310. And corresponding number information are shown. It can be seen no conflict between controller number and module number. Okay, more details can be found in ZMotion website support article. Thank you for your watching. And see you next time. Have a nice day.